Coffee ready?
Yeah.
Look at that. We're gonna eat like kings this morning because we got to come up with a plan to save a Harley. Okay, the dishwasher doesn't work, so we hired this guy.
Milo!
Milo, what are you doing, man? You trying to lick all the food? Huh? What you doing? What you doing?
Here, we'll put some in there. Milo.
Milo.
Milo. Here.
Oh, the cheese. Oh. Hey, BG Rides here. Welcome back to the channel. We got Blondie with us today.
Blondie Babe, or Babe Blonde.
Yeah, baby Blondie.
Yes.
And we got Big Daddy over here. We are on a mission because in here, right there, you can see it, is a trapped Harley. It's a 2011, 2012 maybe? Ultra. And we're gonna save it. We're gonna rescue it. But we got to get in through this window because it's trapped in the garage.
I thought we were going to use a
This right here, we can't get in. It won't work. The garage door opener's dead. There's no other door, and we can only go in through this window. we brought Miss Skinny over here so we can send her through the window because we might have to break the window.
Can you push it this way?
This way?
Yeah. How do you get glass out?
Fuck, I don't know how to get glass out. You know how?
No.
I mean,
Just go on YouTube. Go on YouTube and find out how to get glass out.
You drop back down again.
It's okay, Harley. We're coming in for you. We're coming in.
The whole window popping up.
We're gonna have to get the drone. We're gonna do surveillance to see if there's a way in on the roof.
Push this up again.
Up like this, you're gonna try
Yeah.
If we can get this Harley and get a new tire. Mal, are you getting us?
Yes, I'm getting you,
I
mister.
mean, Blondie. Maybe Blondie. It looks like you're focusing on my.
Do you want me to get your little butt in there? There you go, Brian.
You mean Hollywood?
Okay, we got.
Walk it over.
Well, I might just try to break it over.
We got Medicine
gonna-
Man here. He's the mechanic of the bunch. He knows what the hell to do.
It's in a coat hanger. But isn't
Is there anything up there?
Yes.
Is there like a chimney stack we could get Santa to go down and let us in from the top?
So the other option, of course, is just to break it, but
Well, could we cut a hole in it? Cut a hole right here?
I think it's a double pane.
Yeah, it'll break.
What are you trying to? What do we got to get?
Well, there's a latch in here that's part of the window that slides up and down. There's just a little hole drilled in the bottom of the window, and it fits down inside there.
Here he comes. He had to grab his phone.
I'm YouTubing how to get into a locked window. House through any
Blondie.
locked window.
Oh,
Like right in there. People, if you know how to get into a window like this, put it down in the comments so that when we do this again.
oh, there won't be another. We're learning our lesson.
Did you shoot your phone, Big Daddy?
No, I dropped it on a snowmobile. It broke there and there. Right on the footsteps of the snowmobile.
And he says I'm not responsible with my phone.
What'd you say?
Underneath the window.
That's a
Disgusting.
big ass.
That might be one of the murder hornets.
Murder hornet.
Oh yeah, that's a baby murder hornet. Ooh, Ed, I think
Hold on.
you might be there, man.
We have a movement.
Hold on.
Just pry up just a little bit, brother.
I am.
No, it's already slid past.
It slid past it.
Yeah.
Well, what if we... Hold up. Let me get this out of here.
No, I don't want to wait.
There.
You're supposed to go in.
See, this is over the track here.
You can pull it back. What about pull it back if you're past the lock? We're coming. Ooh, yeah.
This is what we needed.
Yeah.
We are in.
We made it. We made it. Look at this gorgeous machine here.
Bert, pull that string right up there.
Okay.
Can you get to it? Have to get the blinds to go up. There we go. We are making progress.
Oh, there she is.
Okay.
That means
Now.
riding.
Dad.
Medicine man can ride.
We gotta take stuff back out of here a little bit more.
Put a piece in there for her to do. See here. Wait. Kamikaze.
No, just stay there.
We got a new motorcycle name now, Kamikaze.
Mal is now our kamikaze.
There you go.
When we go out drinking, it's Blondie.
When it's with the boys, it's kamikaze.
when we're breaking into the houses. This isn't even our Harley.
But look at that.
Wait, am I using
Look at that
ladder?
gorgeous bike right
You gotta
there.
get in. You know what's the best part of this? There's no damage.
Yeah?
So I can actually close the window
Well,
once I
and
can figure
now,
out.
Yeah.
now we can look for a window.
Do you need
we can
help?
Look for,
You need
for
help,
a door,
Blondie?
yeah.
a door and not have to worry in the interim.
Kamikaze.
You might be better to
What do you
put
want us
both
to do,
legs
Mel?
through and just sit on the window, then slide.
Do you
down.
want us to go around the other side and help you down?
This is just the beginning, Mal. You get to play
You
electrician
might be able
once
to
you
reach
get over
above
there.
the window and grab something too.
Here, you need help. She's looking for her
What do you want
hand
us to do? Remember, you were just going to jump. Holy, ready?
Get my foot over.
There you go.
There we go.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
You were just going to jump, Mal. I don't know what the problem's taking so long here.
Okay.
Okay, now Mallory,
Now,
right up there. See where that
Give her the
rope
light.
is? Oh, there's a rope, Ed. Pull
Is there
that
a-
rope
is there a
thing
rope?
down.
Pull it down.
Easily. Okay, now, did it pop?
It pops something.
Okay.
It popped the nut.
Try and push the door up now with your hands.
It popped.
Does it matter where I grab it?
Nope. Let go of that. Yeah, and just try and pull it up a little bit.
No.
No. Okay, then it didn't release it.
here,
Pull
grab
harder.
the light. I'll go to the other side and try to. No, here's the light. I'm gonna go to
Oh,
the
here, I'll
door.
go to the other side and help her.
Okay. Yeah, you might have to pull on it a little bit harder.
Oh, that definitely pops up.
That did it.
There.
There.
There we go.
Right
Oh,
on.
I got that.
You.
Yes.
I would have loved to watch one of you
I
guys.
Oh, could you imagine?
That and that one.
You know,
That
my
one
leg
hit
would've
that
been
one hit
stuck.
that. Oh, yeah.
Actually, we would have made it halfway through, fell on the
We
Harley.
ripped the window out the side, trying to pull ourselves in.
We'd be calling a medic.
Yeah.
Good job, Mal. Going through,
Hey,
baby.
look at that.
All
Yes.
right, good job, Mal. Good thing we got one skinny one with us. Sorry.
We finished.
Harley.
Yeah, we finished our rescue mission.
Cabin tacos and
think it might have
margaritas.
been-
Oh yeah.
Ready to ride.
Oh, this went really good. I'm glad this went so smooth.
Oh, that was
No, it went good.
This is the craziest thing.
Did you
We
get
just
that?
shut the door. We just shut the door. The bummer part is we can't get that lock undone.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, thank God.
We thought we were gonna have to practice our new skills already.
We thought
Really?
we couldn't get in.
No, no, wait, come back.
We thought that we locked ourselves out again.
Get these two out of there at least.
Anyway, we rescued the
No,
gorgeous
maybe I
Harley.
ought to just get that.
Thank God.
Be allowed to hear today.
It's up to
But
you.
anyway, guys, thanks for watching.
Absolutely nothing.
And
I
we'll
told my wife I
definitely
was
see
coming
you
over
on the
here to
next
help you do
ride.
this, and I didn't